Hello children, today we will see the chapter
17.
of your book, that is alphabetical order. So we will do the exercise, but before we do the exercise I want to explain you a little bit how do we write the words in alphabetical order. And then if you know how to write, it is easy for you to find the words in dictionary also. So let's see how do we write the word in alphabetical order. So children, alphabetical order. Alphabetical has come from the word alphabets, right? Alphabets you all know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G till Z. It is all called alphabets or letters. So order means what? To write something in a proper sequence, in proper order. Suppose if I have written the word ball, dog, apple. So children, first thing is that we arrange the words in alphabetical order according to the first alphabet, first letter of the word. Like here, ball. The first alphabet is B. Second is dog. The first letter is D. Apple. The first letter is A. So we will see the first letter, and according to first letter only we will arrange it in alphabetical order. If we see these words, ball, dog, apple. Now which is the word in which the first letter comes first? Apple. Because A comes first, it is the first alphabetical alphabet. So first we will write apple. Now second what comes? After A, B comes. So here B, ball. So next word will be ball. After that C comes, but here we don't have any words starting with C. After that D comes. So here we have the word dog. It's starting with D. So the next word will be dog. See, A, B, C we don't have, D. So likewise we will write the words according to the alphabetical order. Now we will see the words if the first letter of all the words are same. If I take the example like suppose ant or alligator, apple. So in this, children, you see all the words are starting with A. So in this, how we will arrange them in alphabetical order? Now we will look at the second alphabets of the word. Okay, second letter of the word we will see. So A is same, so forget it. Now come to second alphabet. N, L. There are two L's, but we will see only one, the second place. And here P. Okay. Now which comes first? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So L is the alphabet in all, among these three. L is coming first. So first word will be alligator. L, M, N. Second is coming ant. L, M, N, O, P. Third one is coming P. So now you see, alligator will be the first word, ant will be the second word, and apple will be the third word. Now, what if first two letters are same? Then we will see the third letter. Okay, let's see some examples. Let's say ball, baby, baseball. Now you see here first two alphabets are same in all the words, B, A, B, A, B, A. Now first two alphabets are same. Now what we will do? We will see the third alphabet. So what is the third alphabet here? L, here B, and here S. So what comes, as we can clearly see, B comes first, A is not there, so B is there. So we will write here baby. After that, what comes? Here S and here L. So what will come? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. That means L is coming first. So we will write here ball. And then third one, baseball. Okay children, so like this we will arrange the words in alphabetical order. If you find some words where the first three letters are same, then you see the fourth one. So like this we can arrange the words in alphabetical order. So I hope you have understood how to arrange the words in the alphabetical order. So now we can see, do the exercise. So children, we'll start lesson 17 alphabetical order. Book exercise, open page number 74. Okay, explanation part we have already done. So let's begin with the exercise, page 75. Okay, so here it is. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Now see, here some words are given, some names are actually given. Bhaskar, Joy, Henry, Alice, Shyam, Kabir. Okay, now you have to place it in alphabetical order, and I told you that to place it in alphabetical order, how will you start? You will see the first letter of the words. Okay, so if we look at these words children, what is the see, Bhaskar starting with B. Okay, Joy J, Henry H, Alice A, Shyam S, Kabir K. Right, so these are the first, you see the first letter of all the words. Okay, because we will first see the first letter. Okay, first letters are same, then we see the second letter. So here all the first letters are different. Okay, so just forget the second letter, we will only focus on the first letter. So now see Alice A, it is starting with the letter A. So we know that in alphabet A is the first letter, so first word will be Alice. Okay, now after A what comes? B comes. So we will find if there is any name which is starting with B, and yes, we get a word name that is starting with B. So after Alice what name will be there? Bhaskar. Okay, after B we know that C comes. Is there any name starting with C? No, there is no any name that starts with C, so forget it. Now after that D, there is no word here that starts with D, forget D. Now E, there is no name that starts with E. F, no F. G, no G. H, yes, there is a name that is starting with H. So after Bhaskar what will come? Henry, what is starting with H. After this I, no name I. Then J, yes, J is there. Okay, so we will write Joy. Then after that what comes? K. Any name with K? Yes, Kabir is there starting with K. So after this K will come. Okay, then the L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, nothing is there. S, yes, there is one name starting with Shyam, S. So you have, and after that means there is no name, so no need to look further. So Alice, Bhaskar, Henry, Joy, Kabir, Shyam. Okay, and how it is placed? A, B, H, J, K, S. Okay, so I hope you have understood how we have put these names in alphabetical order. Next you see some places name is given: London, Delhi, Berlin, Chicago, Paris. So any name is there that starts with A. There is no any name given here that's starting with A, so forget A. Now see Berlin, B is, it is starting with B, so we will write Berlin. After that C, Chicago. Then D, Delhi. B, C, D. Okay, continuously we are getting. Then E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Nothing is there. Straight away L is there, London. Okay, then M, N, O, nothing. Then after that P, Paris is there, so we write Paris. So same way B, C, D, L, P. Now see here, stories, poems, novels, plays, songs, essays. So first E alphabet is coming, essays, then N, novels, then plays, then poems. Now see here, now see there are two words with P. poems and plays. So what you will do, forget the first, means obviously P will come after N, but in these two, between these two words, what will come first, poems or plays, because both are starting with P. So you will see the second letter now. Okay, so see here, in poems after P O is there, and in plays after P L is there. So L comes before O, no? A B C D E F G I J K L M N O. So first L is coming, so we'll write plays first, and then we'll write poems. Then songs and stories. Similarly here also, stories and songs. Okay, so second is T here and second is O here. O comes first, so songs will be first and then stories. After that, fourth one, run, walk, trek, do, sleep, play, act, swim. So in this, see, first word is that is starting with A. Okay, so we will write act first. Okay, after that B, C, nothing is there. Do, D is there. Then E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, nothing is there. Okay, then straight away word is coming play. Okay, that is starting with P. After that R is coming, run. After that, now see, there are two words that is starting with S, sleep and swim, and in both the words it is starting with S, so we'll see the second letter, that is L and W. So sleep means L is coming first, so we will write sleep first. Okay, and then we will write swim, then trek, and then walk. T is there and the last W is there. Now here, cuckoo, nightingale, owl, peacock, robin, sparrow. Soccer, hockey, cricket, rugby, tennis, boxing. So here first letter is word that is starting with boxing, B. So boxing, then C, cricket, then H, hockey. Spelling is, it will be Y. Okay, hockey, rugby, soccer, S, and then tennis, T. Seventh one, boot, book, boom, bottom, bottle, beat. Now see, the first five words have the same first letter, second letter, as well, first and second letter, yes, for B-O, 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 okay, and this word has B-E, so E comes before O, okay, so first word will be beat, okay. Now we will see in five words here. So these three words have the first two alphabets, in these five words, the first two alphabets are B-O. So we will see the third letter. So here see, first, second, third. In first three words, third letter is also same. And in this one, fourth, third letter is T. Here also third letter T. So what comes before, O or T? O comes, okay. So we will not see this in these three. Among these three, which will come first? We will see the fourth letter, because see, B-O-O, B-O-O, B-O-O means still third letter all are same. So we will see the fourth letter. Fourth letter here T, here K, and here M. So among these three, T, K, M, what comes first? K comes first. So we will write first book. After that K, what comes? M comes. According to alphabetical order, so boom will be the third letter, and then boot. Okay, now these two words are left. So here we see the third letter is T here, and the third letter is second in these two words, B-O-T-T. Here also B-O-T-T means first four letters are same. So we will see the fifth letter. Here fifth letter is O, and here fifth letter is L. So L comes first, so we will write bottle, and then we will write bottom. Okay, now eighth one, see, months are given. So according to that, April, August, see here April, P and U. P comes first, so April, August, then December, February, January, July, June. In these two, U is there second. Third letter L comes first before N. So we will write first July, then June, then March, May, November, October, and last is S, September. Okay. Now this one, 9th, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So let's place it in the alphabetical order. So first F comes, so Friday, then Monday, then Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, Tuesday. See, both are starting with T, but H comes before U. Okay, so Thursday first and then Tuesday. After that, Wednesday. Then 10th one, this one, American, it should be N. Okay, American, Chinese, Indian, Japanese, Nepalese. Okay, 11th one, biology. First come B, so biology, then chemistry, C comes, then English, then geography, G, after then H, history, then mathematics, then physics, then Sanskrit, and then vernacular. Okay, now 12th one, all are starting with GC. Okay, so we will see the second letter. So second letter is also same in all the words. Then we will see the third letter. Okay, so third letter R, V, F, R, N, A, G. Simply A is there one, so we will write giant first. Okay, after that gift, F comes, then gift, then G comes, so giggle, then N comes, so ginger, after that R comes. So giraffe and girl both have R, so we will see the fourth one. Here A is there and here L is there, so giraffe will be first and then girl, and the last one will be give. After this, 13th, afternoon, dawn, dusk, evening, morning, night, noon. Then after that, 14th one, avenue, city, lake, lane, park, road, street, town. Then 15th one, cook. See, all are starting with C, no? Then we'll see second also same. We'll see third is in these two, third is same, and these two, third is same, and then here it is. Okay, so third letter is actually O, then T, and then P. So O, T, P. So O comes first, so we will see the O letter first. So cook. These 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 words have third letter O, and then in these 4 words we will see the fourth letter. So K, L, K, L, K, L, K, L. Now K comes first, so which one is there? K, this one and this one. So here fifth, there is no word, no letter, so it will be the first one, and then cookie, and then cool, coolest, copper, cot, cotton. Okay, 16th one is barley, butter. So first B letter, then cream, then maize, onion, then pepper, potato. So in the second letter we will see E and O, so pepper comes first and then potato, then rice, salt, sugar, tomato, wheat. Okay, 17th, heal, health, all are starting with H. So we have seen the second one. Second letter is also same, third letter is also same, so we will see the fourth one. So V, R, L, L, P, L. Okay, so in this if we see fourth letter means the fourth letter first should come L. Okay, so here heal will be the first, and then health, healthy, heap, hear, heart, heaven, heavy. 18th one, aunt, brother, cousin, father, mother, nephew, niece, sister, uncle. Now next, 19th, ankle, arm, cheek, ear, elbow, eye, finger, foot, hand, knee, leg, neck, nose, throat, toe. Okay, 20th one is arrive, come, depart, enter, fly, go, leave, stay. 21st, slice, slide, slim, slip, slipper, slippery. Then 22nd, cough, cry, laugh, roar, shout, smile, sneeze, whisper. Then 23rd, cloudy, cold, dry, hot, humid, moist, sunny, warm, wet. Then 24th, begin, cease, commence, continue, halt, start, stop. And 25th, dead, deaf, deal, dear, dearly, death. Okay children, so complete these exercises in your book. Thank you.